I'm going to show you just how cool an iPod can be. This is a 60 gig video with modified firmware, which pretty much looks like Windows Vista. Show you just how cool this is. Find something with album artwork. Eminem sucks, but all his stuff has album artwork. Anyways, just like the iPod Classic, we have cooler now playing stream, but we have the split screen right here showing your album artwork, and that goes all the way through the menus. So it looks pretty cool. It's a modified hack. Anyways, I'll show you the other programs on here. Hold the two buttons, the menu in the center, to reset. Takes a second. You have Apple OS X, iLaunch, which I can go over in a different tutorial, Linux, and Rockbox. Rockbox is really the coolest one, so let's start there. It's a Unix-based program, I believe, and it's open firmware, so everything's modifiable. Let me just show you what we got here. We have you can play your music, and it's pretty cool. It's like a tape player, so you have a tape player button, and if you want to fast forward, see how the buttons change, and the tape scroll. It's pretty cool looking. Anyways, that's the music. Now let's go into the programs we got here. We got lots of games, lots and lots of games, and by far the coolest one would be Doom. I also have Nintendo emulators, Game Boy emulators, Nintendo 64. I mean, there's everything. And something called MAME, which is multiple something arcade. It's pretty cool. Any game you want, you can pretty much get on here. And this just I'll just show you a quick run through of Doom for a second. It takes kind of a second to load up, but it's worth it. Okay, use your top button twice, and then it opens this. New game. Oops. Anyways, let's get out of here. Anyway, so we're back to the main menu, and the plugins, we have a lot of demos which are pretty sweet, like Fire. This is a screensaver, actually just like the screensaver using my computer, and because it's Unix-based, everything is changeable. Like if I scroll through, it gives it more yellow and stuff like that, or I can go back down and just make the flames really small, see the flames coming back, and there's a whole bunch of them really. Plasma's pretty sweet. There's applications too, just like a regular operating system. We got, your basics, calculator, chess clock, there's a whole bunch of different clocks, metronome, stopwatch, text editor if you want, and there's a rock paint, which is kind of cool. It's kind of like Microsoft Paintbrush, crossed over with like an Etch-a-Sketch. I don't know if you can see the cursor there, but hit that, and you can just draw around here, and if you hit two buttons, you have all your menus at the bottom, and you have all the same tools as like Microsoft Paintbrush. Anyways, let's get out of that. And all these themes are changeable. Everything's pretty much customizable any way you want it. You can change the color of the bar, the icons, the fonts, anything. Linux is kind of the same as Rockbox, but not as flashy, so to say, so I don't really use it that much, but I launched a new theme that came out. It's pretty cool. It's pretty much an easier way to get into all your programs. So I got iDoom right here, iDNES, which is Nintendo emulator, Podzilla, which you can put Wikipedia ebooks on here, and it's pretty much have all that stuff available too. Ivo, which is Game Boy emulator. Let's see, Game Boy Advance, Game Gear, if I want to watch movies. And anyways, if you have any questions, email me.